So for our number talk, we are going to use these little number tiles. They each have a number on them, numbers 0 through 9, and I'm going to start passing them out, and I want you to, as quick as you can, put them on the floor in front of you in order, from smallest to largest. So start thinking about what would that mean if you put the numbers in order in front of you from smallest to largest, which number will go first? Kind of take a pack of numbers and then pass them around so everyone ends up with a pack. And if you have extra packs, you can pass it back to me. Smallest to largest. Does anyone not have a pack?
Make sure you keep your baggies, guys.
You're going to do just one row.
Like a number line.
You're right. I heard a great math connection there. It is like a number line. Oh, so think about it. I will tell y'all, you know how a lot of times in math they put a line under the 9 and the 6 so we know what the bottom is? This copy, they do not have a line under the 9 or the 6, so you're going to just pick one to be a 9, one to be a 6, and you just face it the right direction. Think about that number 0. Where will the number 0 go if you're going from smallest to largest? We're going from smallest to largest and we're thinking about a number line. What number goes on this side of the number line? The smallest or the largest number? Yeah. Let's rotate them around. Start with your small there. Flip them. When we think about a number line, on this side of the number line, what number? The smallest. Do you have an ink chart with a number line by chance?
Up there.
Is there a number line on an anchor chart?
There's a number line on the wall.
So picture a number line. Which number goes, the smallest starts on which side? Which side does the smallest start on? What is the first part? Just right or left?
Right. Left.
Left. Okay, thank you guys for getting them all there. Now, I'm going to ask you guys questions. Thank you. I'm going to ask you guys questions, and you guys are going to show me your answer by holding up the cards that have that number on them, okay? So you'll hold it up. This is just like a number talk, though. It's the answer that's in your heart, and you're going to show me the number card, though, okay? So think about this. Pick the card and show me the number of legs on an octopus. Now, you guys are going to have to hold some information in your head. So look at that card you have. Keep holding it and thinking about it. And now you're going to think of that number plus the value of a penny. And now you'll show me that. So the number you just had plus the value of a penny. What is your new number? When you put your numbers back down, put them in order so it's easy for us to use them. We're nice and organized. Okay, hold that number in your head. Now subtract 2. Show me that number. Keep your numbers in order, but they don't have to be like totally exactly straight. We're going to be moving them a lot, so worry less about how your numbers are organized and more about showing me the number. Okay, so everyone, look at your card. You have 7 right now. That's the number we're up to. Okay. So you have 7. Now hold that number in your head. Hold 7 in your head. Add 3. What will that be? we show, I see some people showing me fingers. How can we show that with our cards? How can we show the answer? We had 7 and we added 3. How many digits is that? 2. Very good. 2 digits. So you will hold up a 1 and a 0.
That's what I'm doing.
Very good.
2.
And guys, listen, it's kind of confusing because you're showing it to me. What number does this look like?
10.
What number does this look like?
1.
1. So it's kind of confusing. Even though you're showing me, you could face it back to yourself. Yep, it's 10, and then face it away to make sure it's facing the right way. Make sense? So show me 10. Very good. Okay, now hold that number in your brain. Take away 4. You had a 10 and you're taking away 4. Okay. Add the value of a nickel. Okay, so we had 6. Everyone, whisper to me, what is the value of a nickel? Whisper.
5.
So it's going to be, our equation is 6 plus 5. What is 6 plus 5? I see. Are we having a problem representing 6 plus 5? I want to teach y'all a trick of how we're going to do. Because what's the answer? Everyone whisper to me. 6 plus 5 is? 11. Right. So we can't show 12 or we can't show 10 even though it's close. And we don't have 2 ones. So let me show you. Whenever I give you your answer has 2 of the same numbers, we're going to hop it. I'll turn my 1 the right way. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to go. So if I ever ask you a question and it's 2 of the same digits, you'll hop it. 1, 1, 1, 1. I tried to trick y'all, didn't I? But y'all figured out. I saw some of y'all doing a finger and a 1. I can't trick them. Okay. Now, add 1. Like y'all checking to make sure that those numbers are in order. Very good. Because there's a big difference in 12 and 21. So now the answer you have, everyone listen, because you're getting ready to you're going to come up with a clue for me. Okay? Right now what you have is 12, and you're going to have to come up with a word. It's a very fancy word. 12 is a special number that has a special name. Sometimes when you go to the store, you buy eggs. You buy 12 eggs, and there's a special word for it. You might buy 12 cupcakes, and there's a special word for it. What is it? Everyone help me.
A dozen!
Very, very good. So you ended on a dozen. Now I would like you to take every number greater than 6 and put in your bag. Greater than 6, put in your bag. I see someone putting a 7 in their bag. That's
Which numbers are you going to put in, Drew?
greater than 6. Okay, would we put 6 in the bag? Is 6 greater than 6? What is 6 and 6? They are?
12.
No, like the two values equal. Right. So you're going to have 7, 8, and 9 in your bag. Look, how about stand up and see if it's under you? Nope, then just put them in a pile.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Here it is.
I found a bag.
Put 3 or less in your bag. 3 or less than 3 in your bag. Good, yes.
So you said 3 and less?
3 and less, so if it's equal to 3 or less than 3. Now, everyone whisper to me what 3 numbers do you still have out?
4, 5, and 6.
Awesome. Put the rest in and zip up your